Hello everyone. Now let's go to the next video tutorial, which is on what you have to do if you want to change the webinar details, or you want to change the webinar options, and also on how to add or remove a participant. All right, so make sure you go to Outlook. All right, so go to Outlook, and this is the calendar, and you double click on the webinar. So this is the student's invitation email. Click on that because you can have the meeting link and everything here. All right, so if you want to change the options, click on the meeting options. But then if you want to edit here, make sure, I don't think you would like to have edit here, but you can still do it here. And then if you want to add participants, you can go to click on this icon. All right, so the participants will be at the resources part. Okay, so go scroll down and you can add the participants. All right, once you add the participants, you can click OK. It will always come out with this notification. It says to update the location and you have to click no. All right, so what else you have to do is just send update. All right. All right, so why do you have to use Outlook? Because if you open at Microsoft Teams, if you click, you can also do it here. Okay, you can also do it here, but it would make you overcome a lot of mistakes. So we advise to you to only use the Outlook if you have to change anything or to add the participants and everything. All right, that is all.